Hi guys, welcome to my science experiment series. Now we are going to do science experiment number 29, which is bubbly colors. For that, we need any tray, some palette kind of tray, or if you don't have a palette tray, you can also use some mold or some cup type of things. And after that, we need baking soda and vinegar. What we need to do is, first we need to add the 2 tablespoons of vinegar in each palette thing that is. After that, we need to add 1 drop of food coloring on each cup or anything. After that, we need to put the baking soda inside it. Then you can watch your fizzing colors. So stay tuned. We have added 2 tablespoons of vinegar in each cup. After that, we have added 1 drop of food coloring. I have added the yellow, green and red. So now we need to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda to see the colors be bubbly. The colors are getting bubbly. Stay tuned for my next experiments.